Hey guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at Kawhi Leonard's basketball shoe, the New Balance OMN1. Before we get into the review, I just want to let you guys know to hit that subscribe button, follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end, and hit that alert button. You know, that little bell just gives you a heads up as to when our newest content comes out. With all that said, let's get into the review. So, I know I said the OMN1 in the start of the video. I've seen other reviewers, other people, they've called it the New Balance Omnis. So either it's the OMN1s or the Omnis. I think I'm going to call it the Omnis because I think I saw wear testers call it Omnis. So we'll just go with that. Anyway, so we've got the New Balance Omni. I was going to say OMN1s. Forgive me. Omnis in US size 8. It's a UK size 7.5 and it's a European 41.5. One gripe I have with the box is it's not really specific as to what you're getting. So I don't know what colorway this is. I mean, I do know what colorway it is. It leaves the rest to your imagination. I mean, it doesn't even say Omnis. It just says BB OMN1S. So whatever that is. But before I open this, I just want to mention that Kawhi Leonard won the 2019 championships with these. So these do hold some certain value to their fans, basketball enthusiasts, or if you're from Canada, because you know Canada won the NBA championship last year. So let's get opening. And here we go. So we've got this in the ginger pink, lemon slush and black colorway. So if you can't tell, here, look at it, there's two different colors on the left and the right. So the left is that yellow fluorescent and this is the pink. Obviously it looks salmon to me, but New Balance are calling it ginger pink and lemon slush. So if we start with the outsole, now other reviewers such as wear testers, they mention that this is the best traction in a basketball shoe that you can get in the market. The patterning is a rubber outsole. It's translucent rubber actually, as you can see through and see the plating in the inside. And I think that's Kawhi's logo. I think I'm wrong, but let's just say I'm wrong. But it is a cross dimension. It's like a multi-directional herringbone patterning with the New Balance logo in the middle, going along the upper. So this midsole unit, the whole cushioning system, is New Balance's fuel cell, and that is, I mean, it's liquid nitrogen injected into this. Most basketball sneakers, they're made with air and foam, but I mean nitrogen is air if you want to get scientific, but apparently it's different. I mean, as I mentioned, it's nitrogen injected. So I'm going to tell you how that feels as soon as I do the on-feet review. If we go along the upper, we've got a whole textile, all synthetic upper, and you've got little raised plastic. I mean, it's layered here on the toe box area where all the black patterning is. It's more harder here than it is along the sock liner here. But as I mentioned, it's all it is all synthetic. So the whole upper is New Balance's Fit Weave. Now that is where the upper is here, and where the back and the heel tab is meant to be, it is connected with the tongue. So all that is one unit, all one sock liner, and that is a bit of a problem we're gonna find, I think, getting our feet in, because there's no pull tab. So the little Omni logo here, I think that serves the purpose of trying to get your feet in. But as you can see by the heel counter, it's only like this little like shroud cover, not shroud, but this little like New Balance like latch that you can adjust. You can like take off to try and get your feet in a bit more easy. But as I mentioned, I'll let you guys know what that feels like, if it's difficult to get on or if it's easy. But I like it. I mean, the lacing support system is different. I've never seen anything like it. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks like claws. And you got a little New Balance like elastic around there as well, around the middle of the shoe, just covering just underneath the lacing system, sorry. These basketball sneakers should hold some weight. As I mentioned, this is an NBA championship caliber sneaker that we've got here. Kawhi is probably one of the best like players in the NBA at the minute. But yeah, with Kawhi winning the championship with these, this is like a championship caliber kind of shoe. It's gonna hold some historical weight. Can't wait to try these on and show you guys. The lack of the pull tab is so noticeable. I found it a bit difficult to slip my feet in. There was a lot of like, I had to add a lot of pressure on my heel just to like push it and slide it in. So guys, I mentioned about the problems of putting my feet in. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's kind of digging at my heel. If you were to get your size, like go true to size, I recommend you don't. In my opinion, I'd go a size up, maybe a half size up. We'll go a half size up. It is quite tight around the front area here for myself, and I can feel it digging at my heel, but I can feel that traction is really good. Like, I can feel like my feet's gonna, there's no slip. I can understand why Kawhi like loved it. I'm pretty sure that it's because Kawhi has really long feet. This is quite difficult if you have narrow feet. I do believe that there is a wide version you can purchase. I've read somewhere, I could be wrong. But I do think these are the rare like occurrences where this has a wide version. It's a tiny bit uncomfortable. I should have got a size bigger. Would I purchase this and play indoors? Probably not. I do like the Kyrie 6s, but each to their own. If you're a fan of New Balance basketball, this is quite great, innovative, something to cash up on. It's different to, your Nike or Adi basketball trainers. And if this is like the first step into what New Balance has got as a collection, they're going in the right direction, in my opinion. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.